Hello everyone, my name is Priya Singh. I am from Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Currently, I am pursuing BTech Biotechnology. My year is third year from Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh. So here I came for my industrial training in pharmaceutical. Since my branch was biotechnology, but I wanted to enhance my knowledge in pharmaceutical industry. So here I came to I learned how to check the quality of the drug or any tablet we are using in the market. So coming here was very worth it for me. The equipments here are very well developed and the professor and the faculties are also very knowledgeable here. I came here, I learned quality control analysis and basic of HPLC learning here. It really nailed my knowledge and I came to know more about pharma industry and my interest goes on increasing in pharma industries for my future head. So my overall experience was very nice here. Faculties and all other team members gave me a very homely environment and they totally supported me and cleared my all doubt very well in very simple and accurate manner. So I prefer everyone to come at least 15 days training. You should take here for enhancing your knowledge in pharma industry. Thank you.